76 years of life had led to some of my earlier dental crowns to wear away. And so one of the crowns was replaced by Dr. Cho. And then because that tooth was so, it had so many procedures done on it, there wasn't enough left really to secure the crown properly. And it did come off, and so that led to an implant. I was terrified to have an implant because I had heard that people get terrible infections or there's other complications involved, and with gentle persuasion, she convinced me that the implant was the best way to go. And I am so glad I did. And once I started the process, I could see that it was done carefully and all the protocol was followed. By then, my anxiety was gone. I just wanted it to hurry up, and but it takes time for that bone graft to take hold and for everything to be secure. It feels exactly like a real tooth, and it's functioning perfectly from the minute I walked out of the office that day. So I'm delighted. She speaks plainly and clearly and answers any questions and calmed any fears that I've had in any procedure that I've had done in the office, and I do appreciate that. From the first minute I ever walked into this office, I noticed right away that there was an effort by everyone here to create an atmosphere that was, number one, very welcoming, very hospitable, that it's a place where you're cared for, you're treated like an individual, your time is taken to help them understand exactly how you feel about being cared for in a dental office. They listen to whatever fears you might have and are always ready to explain more completely. So I would absolutely recommend Dr. Cho to my friends or to anyone that's looking for a dentist.